Koalas. They are vertebrates and are small. They have got a gray and white hair.
They live in trees of eastern Australia. They can climb and walk. They eat leaves, so they are herbivores.
Did you know that they are endangered? They bat to after of them his hair, since the same one is very low, of brown color of gray.
The koalas managed to live 20 years. The name of koala derives from a former Aboriginal word that means without drink or that it does not drink.
The koalas only sleep by day. They sleep 20 hours and they use the night to eat. The end. Polar bears.
They are mammals and vertebrates. They have got white hair, small ears, and strong legs.
They eat fish and meat. They are omnivores. They can swim and walk. They live in Arctic because can hot lively.
They are endangered. They are endangered because the climate change is destroying their habitat in the Arctic Ocean.
Did you know that they can swim between 13 and 100 kilometers non-stop? The population of bears is in Canada. The end.